got one job today. We're gonna go do some bearings on a single axle camper trailer. We'll just do a bearing service and check this whole system. Job of the day, we're doing a bearing service on a Coleman 3,500 pound. It's got 3,500 pound 10-inch hub and drums. So I got brakes just in case it needs brakes, but we're just gonna do bearings and check everything. I'm doing my initial check. Everything on the 7-way plug is doing well, except for the reverse, but this trailer doesn't have any reverse lights. Marker lights on the front, top are good. Good on the passenger side. Good passenger side rear. Good on the rear. All those lights are good. Lights are good, good. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. Put hazards on, hazards are good. Let's get this thing up in the air. I got passenger side off the ground. Brakes work. Let's tear it down. All right, we got the passenger side off. Seal was blown out, so it's a good thing we're changing this. Passenger side backing plate is perfect. Magnet's good. I got good brake life on everything. I did brake clean the inside of this. The hub and magnet surface is great, but it did have some like residual grease that was just liquefied in there. So it's all cleaned up. Put it back on and do the next side. Passenger side packed. Cotter key is installed. Pound and dust caps. Dust cap is on. Let the pressure out of it and wipe. What is the date today? Today's the 10th. So right when you did your service, 7/10/24, and install everything back on. And tire and wheel is on. And let's check brakes again. Passenger side free spinning. Brakes are on. Brakes are good. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Driver side free spinning. Brakes are on. Brakes are off. Free spinning. And we got some wiring splits. I'm gonna fix that for them. Looks like the frame or the U-bolt smashed it. That's why I like to run these wires a little bit long and then U-bolt them to the, my goodness, zip tie them to the U-bolts. Man, brain's not working. Driver side brakes are perfect. Magnet's great. Brake shoes are good. I do need to fix that wiring, but hub's packed. I'm putting it on now. But we've got cotter key on the driver's side, pound and dust caps. Wiring is hooked up. Everything's shrunk wrap. Everything's zip tied to the U-bolt so it won't smash against the frame. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Brakes are working. Brakes are off. Perfect. All right, tires and wheels are on. Torque lug nuts. Driver's side torqued and passenger side torqued. He needs me to install a RV jack, and I'm gonna fix his other mounting as well. All right, this camper's done. I did new bearings, checked all his brakes, redid the wiring on the driver's side. I welded this on, and I re-welded the other side for him, so everything's nice and secure. He's done, and I'm on to the next.